This is a tutorial how the view angle in a 3D game can be found. The view angle can be used for developing an aimbot or for a no recoil hack, and in the next tutorial I will show you how to find the no recoil value. But at first we need the view angle. So there are two methods, one simple method and one annoying method, but I will show you at first the annoying method. And at first we need to scan for unknown initial value. And now we'll just look now random direction and scan for change value. And change view angle again and change for look for change value, and again change value and change value. I'll just fire a couple of shots and look for change value. Now we'll run around, jump, and look for unchanged value, but while doing this, just make sure that you don't change the view angle. Now I scan again for changed value, again changed value, change value, and changed value, and again change value. Look for unchanged value, and 71 addresses are left. I think we can give it a shot from here. It's quite unlikely that it is a static address, so we just mark the dynamic addresses, and we just randomly mark some of these addresses, and I will enter the value 90. So when I have selected the correct address, then the player should look down, and it should be one of these. Maybe it's already the first one. Yeah, it's the first one. Okay, so now we know how we can look up and how we can look down, but we also want to know how we can look to the left or to the right side. Most of the time these values are not far away, so a float value has a size of 4 bytes, so we can just, for example, just take this address and subtract the value 4. And this is addressed, and now we can look left or right. But we can also investigate the memory region. Okay, so I believe the standard view is this one. This is it's not so nice, but yeah, when I move the mouse, at address 75, the 828, we can see already the values are changing, but I will use float display type. Okay, so when I look up, the value is 90. When I look down, the value is minus 90. And if I scroll up a little bit, look to left and right, then we can see already that this is address, so that we can look to left or right side. Okay, so what we know already, when we look up, the value will be plus 90. So if we have this knowledge already, then it's way easier to find the address. So we just scan for not the 90, plus 90. I will look down and I will scan for minus 90. And here's the address. Okay, so in the next step, we can do a pointer scan. We'll just start with level 1. And I will call this look up, down. we'll do the pointer scan for the next address. And we'll just call it left, right. Then I will restart the game. And I will attach cheat engine again. Okay, so when I look up, the value is 90. When I look down, it's minus 90. And that's how we can change the view angle so that we can look to the left or right side. And yeah, that's everything for now.